Good morning, dear students. This is Pushpanjali Singh, your science teacher, and I welcome you all in DSS online classes. Today, I am going to continue chapter 5, that is the acid, bases, and salt. Today, we all will read about what is indicator. Student, we have read in previous videos what is acid and base and what is the properties of acid and bases. Student, you know that acid and base should not be touched or touched because acid may be corrosive in nature and can be dangerous to test or touch. Then how can you find a substance is acidic or basic? We can find a substance is acidic or basic through indicator. Indicator is a special type of substance that are used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic. And how indicator tell us whether a substance is acidic or basic? Indicators change the color when add in a solution containing acidic or basic. इंडिकेटर क्या कर देता है, कलर को चेंज कर देता है एसिडिक मीडियम में भी और बेसिक में भी, दोनों मीडियम में क्या करता है इंडिकेटर कलर को चेंज कर देता है. इंडिकेटर्स आर टू टाइप, नेचुरल इंडिकेटर एंड सिंथेटिक इंडिकेटर. नेचुरल इंडिकेटर अकर इन नेचुरल सब्सटेंस. नेचुरल इंडिकेटर्स आर एग्जाम्पल are litmus paper, turmeric, China rose petal. These are the example of natural indicator and these substances are obtained in natural things. And synthetic indicators are use chemical substance. These are the example of synthetic indicator are phenolphthalein, methyl orange are the example of synthetic indicator. Now move the next topic, natural indicators around us. First are litmus. Litmus or a natural dye. It is obtained from lichen plants. Lichen is a microorganism. माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म के बारे में हम डिटेल पढ़ेंगे नेक्स्ट क्लास में. यहाँ बस जान लें माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म होता क्या है. माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म इज अ माइक्रोस्कोपिक ऑर्गेनिज्म. इट कैन नॉट सी विथ नेक्ड आइज. वी कैन सी with the help of microscope. And litmus is a purple color in distilled water. It is available in solution form. And litmus paper is a two type, red and blue. Litmus paper is a special type of paper which is deep into the litmus solution and dry and cut into the strip. When litmus paper deep into the solution, when a solution is acidic, then blue litmus turn into red, and when the solution is base, red litmus turn into the blue. Clear? And solution form, it is obtained from lichen plants and it is a purple color in distilled water. When add in acidic solution, it turn red, and when it add in base solution, it turn blue. It means acidic solution. When a solution is acidic, colors are red, and when the solution is a basic, color are blue. Next, natural indicators are टर्मरिक, कैसे हम टर्मरिक का यूज़ करते हैं इंडिकेटर के रूप में, किस तरह। इट इज़ जनरली मिक्स विथ वाटर टू फॉर्म अ पेस्ट which is then put on the blotting paper and dry to form the strip of turmeric paper. Then turmeric paper is put into the solution in order to determine the acidic or basic. When a solution is acidic, it is stay yellow, and when the solution is base, turn bright red color. You can prepare a card made with turmeric. Apply some turmeric paste on the sheet of plain paper and dry it. Draw a beautiful picture with soap solution with the help of cotton bud. You will getting a beautiful greeting card making with turmeric paste. And next, natural indicators are China rose. And China rose petal is used for natural indicator. कैसे चाइना रोज के पेटल का यूज़ करते हैं हम नेचुरल इंडिकेटर के फॉर्म के रूप में। चाइना रोज पेटल्स आर केप्ट इन वार्म वाटर, देन अ कलर सॉल्यूशन इज ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम दैट. द सॉल्यूशन यूज टू डिटरमाइन अ सब्सटेंस इज एसिडिक और बेसिक. व्हेन अ सॉल्यूशन mix with a substance, when a substance is acid, it turn dark pink color or magenta color, and when a substance is basic, it turn green color. And when a solution will do not change the color of either pink or green, it means the solution are neutral. This solution are neither acidic or basic. वो solution ना तो हमारा acid होगा ना basic होगा, वो solution क्या होगा, neutral होगा. तो these are the natural indicators. और ये सारे क्या हैं, नेचुरल इंडिकेटर हैं. कौन कौन से हैं, किस किस नेचुरल इंडिकेटर के बारे में हमने पढ़ा है, किसके बारे में, टर्मरिक, चाइना रोज पेटल एंड लिटमस. these are called natural indicator. And next, phenolphthalein and methyl orange, these are synthetic indicator. It also used in acid base indicator. When the solution is acidic, then the solution is colorless, and when a solution is basic, the color change pink. अगर solution क्या होगा, acidic होगा, acid होगा, तो उसका कलर क्या होगा, कलरलेस होगा, यानी नो चेंज. एंड व्हेन द सॉल्यूशन इज बेस, तो कलर क्या हो जाएगा, चेंज हो जाएगा. किस कलर में, पिंक कलर में. एंड अदर methyl orange, when a solution is acidic, then change pink color, and when a solution is basic, then change yellow color. I hope आपको समझ में आया होगा. Next topic we will discuss in next video. Take care. Bye.